Good morning everyone. Namaste. I, Ms. Himangi Vashne from Sukshma Yoga Foundation is here to present the 5th series of Yoga Mantra. These series will consist of the few therapeutic views of yoga which will help you to minimize your level of disease, of specific disease such as diabetes, thyroid, blood pressure, and it will also side by side take care of your mental health. So here we present the series of yoga. So now I call upon Mr. Harikesh and Mrs. Vinita to show us and demonstrate the practices we need to know for the specific diseases. Thank you. This is the specific series for diabetes. Before starting with this series, let us sit down in Ardha Padmasana and with complete devotional attitude, let us pray. Try to keep your back straight, head, neck and trunk in one line. Join your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and release while saying Om. Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently open up your eyes and release the Namaskar Mudra and stand up. Let's begin with the very first practice of the day, Tadasana. दोनों हाथों से finger lock बनाइए. Stretch them in upward direction and slowly stand on your toes. If you can't find your balance with your toes together or legs together, just take some distance between your legs and keep breathing. Hold the posture for some time, for maybe 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Gently come back. First your toes, relax your heels, and then your hands. Relax. Trikonasana. Take some distance between your legs, around 3 foot. Point your right toe in forward direction. Raise both of your arms up to your shoulder levels, parallel to the floor. And bend towards your right side. Look upward towards your palm. And hold for some time. Keep breathing. If you are uncomfortable, you can definitely come back. But then hold. Try to hold. Feel the pain, feel the twist. Keep breathing. सांस लेते रहिए, सांसों को रोकना नहीं है. Gently come back in the reverse order. Your arms down, then your legs in forward. Point your left toe in forward direction. Raise your both of your arms parallel to the floor and bend towards your left side. Look towards your palm. Hold for some time. Keep breathing. Slowly come back in the reverse order. Keep your legs together and relax. सामने देखिए please. The next asana is Ardha Chakrasana. Some distance between your legs. Raise your right arm up to your shoulder level. Turn it. Raise it. Stretch it. And gently bend. Try to keep your back straight. इसमें ये ध्यान रखिए कि आप लोगों को अपने कान को हाथों से लगाना है, ना कि हाथ को कान से. Bend more and come back. Relax. Raise your left arm up to your shoulder level. Turn it, raise it, stretch it, and bend. सामने देखिए. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Hold it. Feel the side stretch. Always watch your capacity. Slowly come back. Release. Relax. Now let's sit down in Dandasana. Let's sit in Dandasana. Try to keep your back straight. The next asana is Paschimottanasana. दोनों हाथों से फिंगर लॉक बनाइए वापस. Stretch them in front of your chest and slowly take them up. Raise it, stretch it. After stretching, hinge forward from your lower back. That is, look forward and gently bend. Hold your toes, the big toe, and bend your elbows. Point your elbows towards the ground. सामने ही देखते रहिए. Hold it for some time. Keep breathing again. In your final posture, remember to breathe. If you want to achieve the flexibility, final posture में हमेशा सांस लेते रहिए, सांस को कभी नहीं रोकना है. Keep breathing. सामने देखते रहिए. And gently come back. Release the stress and come back. Relax. पैरों में अंतर लीजिए. हाथ बट के बगल में पीछे की तरफ. And relax your head. Let's begin with the another practice, that is Vakrasana, or known as the twisting pose. Keep your legs together again. Bend your right leg, place it beside your left knee. जो पैर आपने बेंड किया है उसी का हाथ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को पीछे से सपोर्ट देगा. वेरी नाइस. नाउ क्रॉस योर लेफ्ट हैंड. Try to hold your ankles and twist back. Look back. Try to keep your spinal cord straight. जितना आप spinal cord को straight रखेंगे उतना ज़्यादा आपके पेट पे pressure आएगा. This particular practice will give a lot of natural massage to your organs, to your pancreas. Hold for some time. Keep breathing again. Don't forget to breathe. Try to have normal breaths. It's okay अगर आपकी सांस फूल रही है. It's fine. Just relax in the posture and observe the twisting you're having. Observe the pressure, stretch, contraction, everything. Focus only on your body. If you're comfortable in closing your eyes, you can. Slowly come back. First your head. Release your hands and then your leg. Let's repeat this posture from the other side. Bend your left leg beside your right knee. Place your left hand beside your behind your spinal cord and twist. Look back, complete back. जितना आप पीछे देख सकते हैं देखिए. Try to hold your ankles. दूसरे पैर का पंजा भी सीधा रखना है. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Focus on your breath. Hold it for some more time. Slowly come back. First your head, then your hands, and then your leg. Relax. Take some distance between your legs. हाथ पीछे. Relax your head. All these asanas are specifically for diabetes. This will help you to maintain your blood sugar level. Let's move on to the next practice. In Vajrasana. Adopt the posture for Vajrasana. Again, Parvatasana. Make a finger lock of your hand in front of your chest. Twist, rotate it, and then stretch them. Close your eyes. अगर आप वज्रासन नहीं लगा सकते हैं या आपको एंकल में तकलीफ होती है वज्रासन में बैठते टाइम, यू कैन कीप अ कुशन अंडर योर एंकल जॉइंट्स स्पेसिफिकली. इवन नीज काफ़ी ज़्यादा दुखते हैं तो नीज के नीचे भी आप कुशन रख सकते हैं. Slowly come back. Relax. Next posture is Yog Mudra. Make a feast such that कि आपके अंगूठे अंदर होंगे, उंगलियां बंद रहेंगी ऊपर से. Keep them below your stomach or your navel region and hinge forward. Look forward and then bend. After you have bent completely, try to touch your forehead on the floor and bend your elbows and point them towards the ground. Keep breathing. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप सांस नहीं ले पा रहे बेंड करने के बाद में, थोड़ा सा प्रेशर रिलीज कीजिए अपने हाथों से और स्लाइटली यू कैन जस्ट कम अप. If you are feeling uncomfortable, you can anytime release the posture. पर अगर आपको इसका मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट लेना है तो आपको ब्रीथ करना होगा फाइनल पोस्चर में जाने के बाद. This is putting a lot of pressure on your kidney, hence detoxifying it. Keep breathing. The most appropriate practice for purification of your blood from the toxins. Come back, gently lift your head up and then come back. Relax, keeping your hands on your knees. Try to close your eyes, feel yourself inside. Let's release the Vajrasana step by step. First your right leg, then your left leg, and lie down on your supine. पीठ के बल लेट जाना है आप लोगों ने. सुप्त ताड़ासन. दोनों हाथों को स्ट्रेच कीजिए कानों के बगल से ऊपर की तरफ ले जाते हुए. And then make a finger lock and stretch them. अपने पैरों को नीचे साथ में रखते हुए नीचे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कीजिए. Point your toes in forward direction. Keep stretching. Gently release the posture. हाथों को नीचे ले आइए. Relax in Shavasana. पैरों में अंतर. Palms facing towards the sky. Let's begin with crocodile variation. हाथों का फिंगर लॉक बना करके सर के नीचे रखना है. Keep your legs together या bring them together. दोनों पैरों को बेंड कीजिए. Bring them onto your stomach. उनको पेट पे ले जाइए. Keeping your knees together, twist towards your right side. Head will be left side. अगर आपके नीज जमीन पे पहुंच जाते हैं तो डेफिनेटली पहुंचाइए. इफ यू कांट, इट्स ओके. जहां तक आप पहुंच रहे हैं, रिलैक्स इन दैट. जस्ट मेक श्योर कि कभी भी आप लोग जब क्रोकोडाइल वेरिएशन करते हैं तो आपके एल्बोज एंड शोल्डर्स आर ऑलवेज ऑन द फ्लोर. You will not lift your elbows and shoulders. Slowly come back. Bring them together. Try to keep them onto your stomach. Try to keep your legs onto your stomach. And other side. It is a twisting posture. It gives a natural twist on your lumbar region, as well as your sacral region is getting twisted. Just focus on the twist. And again, your organs are twisting naturally. Basically, they are getting the natural massage. Slowly come back. And release them. पहले पैरों को रखिए नीचे and then slowly, gently release them. हाथ सर के नीचे ही रहेगा. The second crocodile variation will be bend your right leg, place it on your left knee and twist towards your left side. Again, make sure कि आपके elbows and shoulders are on the floor and foot of your left leg will be in 90 degree. आपका बायां पंजा जमीन से लंबवत रहेगा. Keep breathing again. Don't ever try to stop your breath. Slowly come back. And from the other side. Bend your left leg, keep it on your right knee and then twist towards your right side. Head will go towards the left side. दायां पैर का पंजा लंबवत रहेगा जमीन से. Feel the lumbar twist. Your lungs are getting twisted. Focus on that. Slowly come back. Relax. Pavan Muktasan. Release your arms. Next is Pavan Muktasan. दोनों पैरों को बेंड कीजिए. पेट पे ले आइए. हाथों से फिंगर लॉक बनाइए और घुटनों के जस्ट थोड़ा नीचे रखिए. घुटने के ऊपर नहीं रखना है. घुटनों से थोड़ा नीचे रखना है हाथों को. And press them onto your stomach. अगर cervical pain नहीं है, spondylosis cervical नहीं है आपको, तो you can gently raise your head. Try to touch your chin or forehead to the knees. It's okay अगर आपका touch नहीं हो पा रहा, it's fine. Try to keep your foot relaxed. Contract नहीं करना है, ना ही relax करना है. Just let it be stable. Hold it for some time. Feel the pressure. A very good practice related to your stomach problems such as gastritis, acidity, hypoacidity, hyperacidity. Also natural pressure on your organs, natural massage for your organs. Basically, pancreas are getting affected. The function of the pancreas will be increased, production of insulin, better digestion of your carbohydrates and starch, basically the sugar level in your blood. Slowly, gently, come back, first your head, then your hands, and then your legs. Relax. So let's begin with another practice, that is Halasana, Ardha Halasana. Keep your legs together, bring them slowly together, palms facing towards the ground. Gently raise your legs towards 30 degree, 90, and hold there. This is Ardha Halasana. Hold it for some time. Keep breathing. Avoid holding your breath. Try to keep your toes relaxed. Gently come back. 60, 30, and on the floor. Moving on to the next practice, that is Saral Matsyasana, the fish pose. दोनों पैरों को साथ में ले आइए, हाथों को कानों के बगल में रखिए, धीरे से अपने अपर पोर्शन को उठाइए, अपर बैक रीजन इंक्लूडिंग योर हेड, and let your crown of the head touch to the ground. हाथों को पेट के पास ले आइए, कोहनियों को प्रेस कीजिए ज़मीन पे, जिससे आप और अपना सर्वाइकल रीजन को उठा सकें. कीप प्रेसिंग योर एल्बोज टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर सो दैट आपके नेक पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं आएगा. एंड पॉइंट योर टोज इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. अपने टोज को आगे की तरफ खींच के रखना है. Keep breathing. If it's uncomfortable, please come back. Come back. पहले हाथों को पीछे ले जाइए सर के बगल में. Take the support of your hand and gently release your head by raising it. उसको स्लाइड नहीं करना है. And release. शवासना. पैरों में अंतर, हाथों को ऊपर की तरफ and relax. सेतु बंदासन, दी नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस. दोनों पैरों को साथ में ले आओ. Bend both of your legs. Keep distance between your legs and your knees. Distance आपको जितना आपका शोल्डर होता है उतना रखना है. And gently raise your lower back region towards the sky. एडवांस करना चाहते हैं तो हाथों से पकड़ लीजिए अपने हील्स को, और अगर नहीं हो सकता तो जेंटली बस अपने कमर पे हाथ लगाइए एंड पुश इट इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, दैट इज टुवर्ड्स द स्काई. जितना कमर को ऊपर उठा सकते हैं उठाइए. बेसिकली यू नीड टू टच योर चेस्ट टू योर चिन, नॉट योर चिन टू योर चेस्ट. Raise it more. Keep breathing. Also known as the bridge pose. Slowly come back. कोई भी पॉस्चर में आप जब वापस आते हो तो आपके शरीर को झटका नहीं देना है. Bring it slowly and in the reverse direction. Relax in Shavasana. सारा ध्यान अपने ब्रीदिंग पे लगाइए, अपने सांसों पे लगाइए. इनहेल एंड एक्सहेलेशन, उन सब पे लगाइए. Try to focus your mind towards your breath. Relax yourself completely before we start with another practices, that is pranayama. Keep relaxing until your breath is controlled. Watch your breath. Slowly get up. करवट ले लीजिए राइट साइड. लेफ्ट हाथ से सपोर्ट देके गेट अप. सिट इन अर्ध पद्मासना. Try to keep your back straight. हाथों को नीज पे रिलैक्स रखिए. And let's begin with pranayama. So the first practice is Kapalbhati. ये प्राणायाम नहीं है, ये एक क्रिया है जिसमें रैपिड एक्सहेलेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं. So for doing that, you take a deep breath in and start. People having BP, low BP or high BP, उन्हें नहीं करना है ये. Also a very effective practice to reduce your belly fat. इस प्रैक्टिस से आपका कंसंट्रेशन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का बॉडी में कम हो जाएगा. If you are tired, you can release your rounds, like stop it. Relax. Let's gather our strength and start with the second round of Kapalbhati. Begin. Kapalbhati is also very good practice to get rid of sinusitis, the diseases, any disease above your shoulder level. Relax. Next practice is Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. पहले अपने हाथों से प्रणव मुद्रा बना लीजिए सच दैट आपके जो फर्स्ट 2 फिंगर्स है दैट विल बी क्लोज्ड एंड प्रेसिंग योर बेस ऑफ द थंब. Keep onto your nose. Then firstly you need to exhale from left. अपना सारा ब्रेथ निकाल दीजिए लेफ्ट साइड से. Then inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, and carry on. Try to close your eyes, focus on your breath. मेक श्योर जब भी आप प्राणायाम करते हैं तो आपको अपने शोल्डर्स को नहीं हिलाना है. ट्राई टू कीप योर बॉडी स्टेबल एज मच एज पॉसिबल. ट्राई टू फोकस ओनली ऑन योर ब्रेथ एंड योर ओन सेल्फ. कोई भी आसन आप जब भी प्रैक्टिस करते हो या कोई भी प्राणायाम, जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर सेल्फ. Try to keep your neck relaxed. सीधा रखना है नेक को, पीछे नहीं गिराना है, ना ही आगे. जब भी आपको अनुलोम विलोम छोड़ना होता है या व्हेन यू हैव टू रिलैक्स और रिलीज द प्रैक्टिस, तभी हमेशा लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल से एक्सहेल करने के बाद ही आप रुकेंगे. रिलैक्स. Next practice is Omkar. ओमकार करने के लिए ओकार जो है उसको छोटा रखना है एंड मकार जो है उसको लंबा रखना है. So let's see and begin. First you have to inhale a deep breath in. Start. Take a deep breath in. Again, take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Last time, take a deep breath in. Keep your eyes closed. Moving on to your next practice, that is Bhramari. इंडेक्स और मिडिल फिंगर से आपको अपनी आँखों पे आँखें बंद करनी है. आपके अंगूठे से कान बंद होंगे. Again, you have to take a deep breath in and produce a sound like a humming bee. मेक श्योर कि आपके कान कम्प्लीटली बंद होंगे, आपको बाहर की आवाज़ नहीं सुनाई देगी. Two times more. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. हाथों को ज्ञान मुद्रा में, नहीं तो सिंपली आप अपने घुटनों पे रिलैक्स कर सकते हो. हाथों को ज्ञान मुद्रा में रखने के लिए आपको अपना इंडेक्स फिंगर का टिप और अंगूठे का टिप को ज्वाइन करना है, कीपिंग द अदर 3 फिंगर्स रिलैक्स्ड और स्ट्रेट. Just focus on the vibrations you have created around yourself. Try to calm yourself completely. See how your breath is going on. Any changes in the breath should be noticed by you. Let's relax ourselves completely. Take a deep breath in. Release. Now this time when you breathe in, you have to release through your mouth, not through your nose. Take a deep breath in again. Release through your mouth. Take a deep breath in. Release through your mouth. Take a deep breath in. Release through your mouth. Keep your forehead relaxed and focus on your breath. Again, in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Let's close this session or the series for diabetes with a small prayer. Join your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Keep your back straight, eyes closed, head, neck, and your whole trunk in one line. Take a deep breath in. Release while saying Om. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदक्ष्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Rub your palms. Give a gentle massage to your eyes, your neck, and release. Thank you.